FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried was convicted of fraud and money laundering by a New York jury in a landmark criminal verdict that is likely to condemn the former crypto tycoon to decades in prison and bolster US authorities' attempts to bring an unruly financial sector to heel. Bankman was convicted of fraud in a scheme that cheated customers and investors of at least $10 billion. Jurors rejected Bankman's Fried's claim that he had never committed fraud or meant to cheat customers before FTX collapsed into bankruptcy. Sam Bankman-Fried perpetrated one of the biggest financial frauds in American history. Damian Williams, US Attorney for the Southern District of New York, said in a briefing after the verdicts were read. While the cryptocurrency industry might be new and the players like Sam Bankman-Fried might be new, this kind of corruption is as old as time. This case has always been about lying, cheating, and stealing, and we have no patience for it. Flanked by the victorious prosecution team, Williams added that the verdict was a warning to those who think they are clever enough to talk their way out of it if caught. The culmination of the trial comes almost exactly a year after FTX fell into bankruptcy after being unable to honor withdrawal requests from thousands of customers spooked by a market downturn and damaging revelations about the exchange's opaque financial structures. Sam Bankman, the son of two Stanford law school professors, resigned from his Wall Street position and launched a cryptocurrency hedge fund in 2017, which sparked a series of events that led to his criminal conviction on Thursday for participating in what federal prosecutors have dubbed one of the largest financial frauds in US history. After 2 years of launching a hedge fund, Alameda Research, Bankman-Fried founded FTX, an exchange that lets users buy and sell digital assets such as Bitcoin. The next 2 years saw a sharp increase in the value of cryptocurrencies, which helped Bankman-Fried reach a net worth of $26 billion before turning 30. Bankman-Fried has entered a non-guilty plea to 7 charges pertaining to fraud and conspiracy. While he has admitted to poor risk management, he has denied money theft. Fried, who is currently 31-year-old, stated in court that he made errors that hurt FTX workers and clients, like failing to establish a risk management team. However, he claimed that he had no intention of robbing anyone or taking money from them. Bankman-Fried now awaits sentencing. His case has been compared to that of Elizabeth Holmes, the founder of medical device company Theranos, which ceased operations in 2018.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.